Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Defender error code 0x8050800c on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So you need to restart the Windows Security Service. Search for Services in the Windows search bar and go to Services. Now scroll down to Windows Security Service. Okay, right click on the Windows Security Service and then select Restart if the option is available. Okay, usually you would have the option to modify anything here because it's a critical service which will always remain started. But just in case you get that option. The next one is to update Windows. Why? Because you may encounter this error if a few security updates are missing, and security updates are very crucial. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.